Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain Citibank to Citibank transfers. We'll cover the essential steps to move money between accounts, whether yours or someone else's. You'll learn about the various methods available, from online banking to mobile apps. We'll also discuss any potential fees and the typical timeframes for your funds to reach their destination. This review will help you make informed decisions. Citibank offers several convenient ways to transfer funds. You can easily use their online banking portal or the mobile app for domestic and international transfers. Be aware of specific daily and monthly transfer limits, which can vary by account type. For faster, smaller transfers, Zelle is often a great option. Remember to check for available currencies when sending money abroad. Generally, domestic Citibank to Citibank transfers are free, but international transfers may incur fees, so always confirm. Processing times usually range from 1 to 2 business days for domestic transfers, while international transfers can take longer. While you're considering what's worth investing in, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, among other deals. To ensure a smooth transfer, always double-check all recipient details, including account numbers, before finalizing. It's wise to keep a record of your transfer confirmations for future reference. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Citibank's customer service. They can provide assistance and help resolve any problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.